How to lock your Facebook profile on iPhone, Android, and computer. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to lock your Facebook profile. To lock your Facebook profile, first up, open up the Facebook app on your device or head to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to your own profile page. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen or by clicking on your name in the top blue bar. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal dots. On the Facebook app, these dots are usually located near the top right corner of your profile, just below your cover photo. If you're using a computer, the dots will be in the bottom right corner of your cover photo. Go ahead and click or tap on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option that says Lock Profile. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry. Just take a moment to scan through the list of options. Once you've spotted the Lock Profile button, give it a click or tap.